Number one.
Hello everyone, welcome to a actually unexpected stream, but it's day 54. Hello everyone who's just joining in, and we're back working on Fish Game. Yay! Isn't that exciting, everyone? I think it is. But yeah, we're back on Fish Game. Today I have a couple things planned. We are gonna make sure gonna work on the skill tree a little bit. So actually in the skill tree we have 3 upgrades already, right? But these don't really actually like work, if that makes any sense. Like if you can buy it, it like saves and stuff, but that won't do anything, you know. So today we will unfortunately have to get rid of Builder Turtle for a skill tree change, since skill tree instead of Builder Turtle. Yay. Is my hair cutting out? No, okay, it's not. That's fine. So right now you can just, if I just get some seagrass, let me actually get a better tool, more better tools. All right, goes up by 60, and then if I just get some seagrass, I can actually buy these, right? Yeah, I can buy them, and then it takes away the seagrass, but it actually doesn't change this model at all. So hopefully we get that done today, and if we do that fast enough, I have 3 new upgrades that we can work on. So yeah, right now you can upgrade your nest here by just doing that, talking to Builder Turtle, but today that will change. So we can actually start off with just probably removing the Builder Turtle thing. Let me first of all find the Builder Turtle code. So we're gonna need the upgrade tree codes, right, yeah. And then I just want to find the current upgrade. So for the client it will be connections. I think it's gonna be in the replicator, because it's talking connection module. Right, so I think here, yeah, connect module, talk to Builder Turtle. We're gonna have to remove all of this basically. Yeah, and I'll go ahead. Let me open up the server side now. So where where's the server side? Store script, no. Upgrade tree, no. Shop, no. Claim nest, no, that's not claim nest. We need upgrade nest. Yeah, upgrade nest, right. So this code right here, that's the upgrading on the server side. So all of this will basically have to get removed. But yeah, I just want to have this so we can basically have the same thing for the upgrade tree. Hello Baj, welcome to the stream. So yeah, we can start by doing that probably. Did you update your general tools? No, I kind of looked into it a little bit. I read about like all the changes, but right now I just wanted to start up stream kind of quickly, didn't have time. Like, it seems a bit complex for me because, you know, you send all that stuff the first time. For me, I don't think all that same stuff is gonna work with like the new version, you know, like, or I might have to look into it more or something, cause like just changing that one module, you know, won't be enough. All right, let me go ahead. So here, this is just upgrading if we have enough. So now we do return, but like we also want to check for if, you know, what do you mean? I reordered the data script to support profiles. Oh, I didn't download your version. Profile story uses a different function name. Yeah, I didn't download your version. I just, okay, yeah, it might be stupid on my end. I'll download it, I guess. Guess I'll switch it. It shouldn't be too difficult to change though. I won't have to go through every single code, right? Again. Hopefully. So I think right here, after setting this value to true, I want to check if it's to do with a nest. Then we then call a function to local function nest value changed. So this will basically remake the nest model, which we already have right here, or no grade nest. So all of this basically. Oh god. So I think from 4i to right here is what we need to copy, because this is the buying side. Oh god. It's completely backwards compatible with any things that access data. Okay, that's great. So we want to get the player, and then nest folder we should be able to just get by going like this. All right, and then fish info module. Oh, okay, I'll grab that. Why do we even need this for? Oh, to get fish info and then to get the fish slot. Makes a lot of sense. And that's basically it. So I'm also gonna need to change this code a little bit, since we don't have, like, we go through, okay, we find the nest, we destroy the old model, right? We get the new model based on nest tier stat. There won't be a nest tier stat, so we can just remove this stat from here. So instead of that now, that one stat, I need a different way to check. So, here I can also just call nest value changed. I mean, just nest upgraded. Okay, and then in the upgrade tree module, here I can just probably put the upgrade type into something to like upgrade the type probably to nests, which will then upgrade the nest. Probably a smart idea. So if upgrade tree stats and then upgrade, wait, no, not there. We want to go to upgrade tree module, upgrade index. And then if this dot type, upgrade type, right? Upgrade type. Probably just call it rather just type. Why do I have the extra upgrade? Since I mean we're an upgrade module anyway. I'll update voxel wave simulation right now. Ooh, I saw that game. I kind of joined in and it looks amazing. Oh my god, how did you make all of that? Probably had to do so much math. And then if type equals nest, then we nest upgraded, and then we give the player. All right, so that will call this function now, and then the value have to okay, we're gonna need to make another thing to get the nest level. So right here, how can we do that? So yeah, extreme amount of math and optimization. What are you gonna even use it for? Like, which one of your projects are you? Oh, is that the slime rancher one? The slime cube rancher. That's the name. But the new version simulator throttle will be 2 times as effective than before. Crazy. At what stage is the game you are making? I mean, probably main mechanics done. That's the stage. I mean, you can look at the recaps and everything. But I've only been working on main mechanics, not much content. And I mean, I'm just gonna have to keep on working on like fish abilities. I really hope fish abilities don't take me that long to make. 40%? How do you know, Irem? How do you know? How do you know how much I'm gonna make? I never said how much I would work on. I'm just gonna keep on working until I think I'm ready to release. Okay, so here I need to chat. I need to somehow get which level the player is on. So it might be level 0. That's better than nothing. Yeah, I mean, I'm on day 54. You'd expect some kind of progress. And hi, hello Irem, yeah, and hello fast friend. So is there like any way? Okay, I'm just gonna put in nest tier equals to. I just don't know another way, since there's nothing else. So I think I'll this will be the upgrading part. No, this will be the upgrade buying part, right? And then this second one is the upgrade part itself, or what the upgrade does. This is about buying it, like all the info of the image and everything, and then this is the upgrade itself. So that's how I'll keep it. So we head back. Oh my god, I keep getting lost. It's right here. So Now we have to go to... We have to do some kind of thing that gets the best nest level, right? So I think this should be pretty simple. Indeed, we shall upgrade our upgrades that we already upgraded. Whoa. So I think I'm gonna need to go through every single upgrade. So let's say for I mean, it should be like the same. Requirement index. Oh no, that's for the requirement. Okay, upgrade stats in pairs of every single one. So upgrade tree module. We're gonna go through every single upgrade, right? And then we're gonna define the local best nest tier. So will equal to 0, since that's the worst you can get. So we're gonna go through every single upgrade stat. And then player stats, I mean, where do I upgrade tree stats? So I'm gonna send over upgrade tree stats, upgrade tree stats here to upgrade tree stats, since I need to upgrade access stats. So if upgrade tree stats, no, just let me just check. If upgrade stats dot type equals nest, that means it's a nest upgrade. Then we also want to go and check if we have bought it. That means if upgrade tree stats, and then we go, how do you check? I check it. Upgrade tree stats, upgrade index, and then upgrade index will be basically upgrade stats dot index. No, is it not called index? Oh, do I not have index? Oh god. Index equals 1. Oh, I forgot. Index equals 2. Index equals 3. Indeed, we shall upgrade our upgrades that we already upgraded. No, I didn't mean it that way. Can someone count how many times bro will say upgrade the stream? By upgrades to, which ones are you specifically doing right now? I'm doing every single one. Right, you know, right now, the buying of the... Okay, I'm just gonna hit play. I already kind of explained it. It might not work. Okay, it might not work because I literally did not finish the code. So now it's gonna start erroring. Right, let me finish this up and I'll show you guys. So index, then let me actually just comment this out so it doesn't play. Right, so if we go here, we have this, right? Let me go here. Let me get my mace, triple mace, since that's the best you can get. Let me just get, like, you know, 120 seagrass is enough. Right, and then if we go here to our skill tree, right now we buy the upgrade, right? And then it unlocks the second upgrade, but it doesn't do anything. Right now you upgrade your nest tier by talking... Oh, yeah, I mean, that's probably gonna break. Right now you upgrade your nest tier by talking to Builder Turtle, right? And everything is broken, okay. Okay, don't mind that. All like backpacks and stuff. Right now I'm working on nest tier upgrading, since that's like the main thing of the skill tree. Of the upgrade tree. It's the upgrade tree, not the skill tree, but it's kind of like a skill tree, but it's not a skill tree. Because you're getting upgrades, not skills. Right? Does that make sense? So if upgrade is And then if upgrade tree stats upgrade, and then if we have it bought equals true. So if we have bought it, and then if upgrade stats dot, it's gonna mean nest tier, that it has nest tier. If it's higher than best nest tier, then best nest tier equals this. Okay, so now instead of doing this right here, using this, I'm gonna use this. Great. All right, and yeah, that's it. Now it should all work. This code at least. Toolname spatula and frying pan. Use fry nuggets. I don't know. I mean, it's kitchen stuff, but I guess we could have it. Yeah, I feel like that's it for that. Let me also just disable this code already. Wait, where is this? Upgrade nest. This is the current code, so let me disable it. So we're not gonna need that anyway right now. That's like the old code, right? So in theory, nothing should happen while I have no nest claimed. So if I upgrade something without a nest claimed, nothing should error or anything, right? Yeah, I just bought it. Now we have tier 1, right? Remember tier 1. If we load this up, okay, this is gonna break since I didn't change the loading script, right? We need to change the loading script. So we're gonna need to go to the claim nest script, and then player nest here. Oh, we're gonna need to do the same thing as we did right here. Okay, I have too many things open. I'm gonna need them all, but it's just too many. Upgrade nest. Wait, okay, it was upgrade tree, nest upgraded, and then we get best nest here. I mean, maybe I should just name it nest here because it's just a nest here. I'm always big with naming stuff to understand for the future. To be honest, I feel like a net should be a tool giving like extra fish catch rate and they spawn more abilities. Maybe playing with the RNG a little bit, you know? Alright, and then if I get this, so then I move it to here, and then player nest tier gets changed by this whole thing. We need upgrade tree stats. So let me get upgrade tree stats. Upgrade tree module. Wait, do we already? Yeah, we need upgrade tree module. And then we need upgrade tree stats. Then we can get upgrade tree stats by going like this. And then just remove the player in front of this and it's gonna be fine. Tutorials. By the way, how did you learn all that coding? Just wondering. Tutorials many. I mean, I did start off with tutorials, but then I figured out that tutorials are a very terrible way of learning. You should try the developer forum, is it called? Yeah, developer forums. if you just Google anything, if you put Roblox Studio and then let's say how to change a part's position, right? It's gonna open you a bunch of people that already were wondering before how do I change the position of a part, right? And then you can see all the answers of the people that like give an answer to your problem. So like, let's say just do part dot position equals vector3 dot new, and then if let's say you don't know what vector3 is, you just type Roblox Studio vector3 and then you figure out what a vector3 is, and then you just keep doing it. It's a long process, but you learn it, and that's the important. And then the next time you need to change a part's position, you're not gonna need to Google any of that. That's what I thought when I wanted to learn it. The forums are actually useful. I don't even know how to code, but literally read the forums out of curiosity. Yeah, okay, so now, okay, if I claim the nest right now, it would break since I don't have a nest that is tier 0. But if I buy the first upgrade, and if I claim the nest, hopefully it doesn't error now. Yeah, it loaded up tier 1. So now, if I go in here, I buy tier 2, I close everything, it's tier 2. Okay, and then if I do the same for tier 3, buy tier 3, and great, tier 3 is right here. Now I need to fix the thing that breaks if you have a tier 0. So I think to fix that, we just basically put a model, an empty model with 0. Yeah, we just type 0 here, and then we don't have any of that. We don't have a nest we just have an empty nest model. So we get rid of all the parts. And that's basically oh wait. I should keep the position part though, since it's not gonna be able to function. All right, let's see if it works. So if right now it's a level tier, right now my tier is level 0 because I haven't upgraded it at all. If I claim, yeah, it says my name. Maybe I should make some kind of sign saying no, no tier. That'd be kind of funny if you like claim a nest and then it's something like that, you know. Because right now it's empty, and it's supposed to be. And if I upgrade it, let's say, oh, I don't have seagrass. Oh my god, let me get it. Okay, we all we need is like 10 seagrass. Test this. So if I go here and then right now it's 0. Right now there's nothing, as you can see. If I get tier 1, yeah, and then changes to tier 1. Is that literally everything? Let me see if fish actually work. So clownfish, my favorite fish, because you're the only fish with a level 3. Okay, we got a level 3 orange coral. Yeah, that works. Okay, spawn your level 3 orange coral. I want to see it. I'm gonna be hating green when this game is finished. Hating green? What do you mean by hating green? Oh, cause all of the color green, cause of all the green. What just happened? Why did the ability not work? I mean, it worked. There's seagrass that are gone, right? Yeah, the seagrass disappeared. Oh. Why did it take so long to load in the model? I mean, yeah, now it loaded in, right? But it took like 10 years. I've been seeing the same shit of it for 54 days. No, right, tier list, lol. Yeah, you I mean, you're kind of tier less if you have tier 0. But I can, yeah, it works. And then it keeps the same fish. So now, if I talk to this guy, we need to get rid of Builder Turtle, guys. No, not Builder Turtle, don't leave us. Okay, what should I do with Builder Turtle? Because he doesn't have a job anymore. Guys, what does Builder Turtle have to do now? Should we switch this guy? I don't actually really like this guy's hat, so instead of that hat, we can actually just use the Builder hat then. Rather, I feel like tier 0, tier less useless. Because I mean, let me just get rid of all this code. Honestly, it became way easier now to do all the tier stuff. We can get rid of upgrade nest code. All of this. Upgrade nest, deleted. So that code doesn't exist anymore. And then talking connection module. In here we do the talking. So talk to Builder Turtle. And then we connect to Builder Turtle shop. I mean, we could like this all code is related to him. Yeah, this code, Nest Shop. And if I just comment it out, I mean, that's like, okay, that goes to line 200. That's like 90 lines of code. But what can you do? And then I'll remove all of this. And then I'll change it to this. Right, and yeah, now that's great. All right, yeah, man. Now his talking should not work, actually. So if we walk up to him, yeah. I mean, we get stuck, right? But like, we need to remove him. So talk to Builder Turtle, deleted. No. Okay, I'm switching you out. Builder Turtle, Shop Turtle. I don't know about you. I just really don't. It looks fine from the front, right? This hat looks fine from the front. When you look at it like this, it looks like a Megamind hat or something. I just like the Builder hat way more. I mean, he can be the Builder Turtle here. Guys, Builder Turtle. Builder Turtle got a new job. He took over the old, the other turtle's job. Right, guys. Okay, does it look fine? Yeah, I mean, it looks fine, I guess. I mean, it's a turtle. What do you expect? Okay. This looks so empty now. Okay. But yeah, I mean, that's everything. I mean, maybe don't only change the hat. Play around with the colors of different turtles. Like what? I mean, we only have one turtle right now that I removed the other one. But I think I'm gonna definitely have an NPC that you talk with, a turtle, not only like a crab right here. Oh my god, the crab music. But yeah, definitely gonna have some kind of NPC turtle. Alright, that's I think pretty much done. So we can close off Claim Nest. We can close off Upgrade Tree. And then Talking Connection Module. Yeah, we don't need this anymore, I don't think. So next up, guys, we're gonna add three new upgrades to our skill tree. Yay, finally more upgrades than just these 3. So, I have 3 icons, so we're gonna have 3 upgrades. I think we have to start with GUI as always. That's like the other plan I have for today. And they're gonna be oxygen upgrades. Since right now if you hit play, you're capped at 60 oxygen. And like that can actually be a kind of low amount if you're trying to like gather around, you know, without much worrying. 99% fine, ignore the crab. Fish game first update added 1 upgrade to skill tree. Now my updates are gonna be big. But yeah, let me make sure. So yeah, let me start with GUI as always. Upgrade tree GUI. Let me have this go visible. Okay. Transparency. So what we want to do is we want to change the upgrade tree frame. We want to add a extra one. So let's name it 4. And then, okay, so how do I want these upgrades to be connected? Where do I want them to connect? Probably to the side here or something. I mean, let me make it go off the tier 2. So I'll make one go here. And then maybe like here and then here, you know, so it like goes out more or something. So let me actually position it the same as this for now. Oh, no, not this. Let me get position of this and then position this like that. And then if I do 5, that makes it go down. So 0.25. Make that go to 7.5? No, 0.5, and then we want to make it smaller. How far away do we want to put this? Probably far enough. This is. And it's a bit weirder on this axis. But I think 3.5 should be fine. This much. And how do I have these lines connected? Okay, so I think under 2 I need to put this line. And then let me set position to 0 here. Oh my god, it's gonna be such trivial math. 0. Can I position this? Yeah. Okay, middle. So looking at this, it looks like the upgrades from that pet RNG game. Yeah, I took inspiration from it. Cause yeah. I like taking inspiration from other games. I mean, I just took like one element out of the game because I really liked it. Like, I like the part where the upgrade tree. I didn't like the RNG part. I think that's kind of stupid and pay to win, very pay to win. But I like the skill tree. Can I just suggest something? Sure. Of course you can. I don't know how to position this honestly. So okay, let me get one axis right. So let's not do size. let me do position. So this is the middle, 0.5 is the middle. So if I do minus 0.5, that kind of is the middle. I mean, let me get this first, actually. So, okay, we got the middle on here. So, if I just now make this line a bit longer, so size 2, maybe 1, make it go more to the side now. Does that connect up correctly? Yeah, but I want it to be a bit closer then. Number 4 needs to be a bit closer then. Position 7.5. Yeah, that looks about fine. Okay, this is way too long then. We don't need this to be that long. Is this fine? Yeah, this is fine. All right, and we have that done. Might be too much work, but makes the menu a bit more clean. The dark background, you can give a pattern of fish in a darker green, which move from top to bottom in the diagonal order. It will make it look clean. Not sure. I mean, it might be hard to get the pattern done right. But the moving fish, the moving the screen is a bit weird. So you know this green background, it doesn't move when you move your mouse. It only moves these little things inside around. Not sure. I mean, probably like the way it is right now, honestly. So this is number 4. Number 4 done. So now from number 4, I'd like it to somehow go diagonally. Is there a way I can make it go diagonally? So I'll get a line, paste it in here. So for diagonal, I'll have to rotate the line then. Where's the rotation? It would be very subtle though. Subtle. Oh my god. You wouldn't really notice it moving, but you'll notice it moving. I don't know if I get what you mean. Okay, so if I put this at 0.2, no, I think 0.5 still needs to be the way or something. So I definitely need to be this higher, which means it needs to go to 5. What is this even basing off? Okay. Let me make number 5 at least. Name this number 5. And remove this line. Then, alright, let me change position to... Okay, that is very much wrong. So it was 375, right? No. What? Why is it 9? So the difference between 4 and 2 is 1.25. So half of that, let me get my calculator. 125 divided by 2 is 62.5. So now if I calculator, If I get 0.375 and I minus, how much was it? Did I say 6.5? If I minus 125 divided by 2. No, that's wrong. Because it did that first. Wait. Let me get my math. Let me get my math skills. Divided by 2. So remember, 62.5. 62.5. So 62.5. 62.5. 62.5. Alright. Minus 0.0625 equals 3125. 3125. Apparently that's where it should be. Okay. Now for the top. Okay, let me do the same amount of math. So let me get from the distance difference between 2 and 3 are 0.25. So half of that would be 0.125. 0.125. So on top of 0.25, I need to add 0.125, which is 375. And no, I needed to minus it, not plus it. So 0.25 minus 125. Wait, no. What am I saying now? Hello, who's joining into the stream? Okay. So the height of this is 2.5. So 0.25 minus 0.125. It's just 1.25. No, not this one, Right? 125. So we have this diagonal thing here. I can just move this down a bit more for you guys to see. Oh. Okay, maybe too much on this side. Yeah, okay, so we have this kind of thing like here. Should I like try to move it somewhere here? Or is this line kind of enough? Updated voxel wave thing. Added a duck. Okay. A duck. Like a floating duck. Literally just a floating duck. Okay, well, I don't really know. I mean, this diagonal doesn't really look too good in the... I mean, I have diamond shapes. What if I just make it go to the side? That would probably be way easier. Honestly, yeah, I'll just make it go to the side. I don't want to mess around with this too much right now. Especially that. So let me actually just take 2. And let me copy and paste the number 2, which will become number 5. Name 5. 5, I meant. Let me set the position of the 5 here. So the difference between these two are 1. Okay, so this position is gonna be 2.5, right? Yeah. And then another thing, just make number 6. And then this will be the upgrade number 6 labeled, which means this one will be 125. Great. Okay. And now I need to fix the lines since we don't need this many. So let me delete this line and let me delete both of these lines, and then we're missing one line right here. So if I just take it from here, paste it onto 4, we have our line. Okay, we have our GUI done, I think. So now we just need to paste in the images, and yeah, we can pretty much close this by now, I feel like. So if I just make that not visible now. It might seem like a small change, but adding a duck was actually one of the hardest tasks in the entire project. It's like just a floating duck or something. Alright, well, if I go ahead and okay, so upgrade tree module, we're gonna add 3 new upgrades now. So 1, 2, 3. We can name this 4, 5, and 6. So 4, 5, 6. So oxygen 1, oxygen 1, oxygen 2, oxygen 3. So we have our 3 oxygen upgrades. And just okay, I'm just gonna do ads 30 seconds, and then I'm just gonna make the same description for all 3. You can remove this, make the type to oxygen. So now let me get the image actually. That's 1. Oh no, that's decals. That's the decal. Wait, okay, so this is the first one. Then this is the second image. And this is the third. So the requirements now. This one is number 2, this one is number 5, this one's number 6. Hopefully the size of the images are fine, but let me actually just join in and see. So, if we go here, everything is locked, right? We're gonna need to buy the first upgrade. We're gonna have to buy a couple upgrades, actually. I didn't change the price. They're also gonna be the same price. So, if I head to over here now, we unlock this. Then that unlocks that. Okay, yeah, I need to make these images way bigger now. That's number 1 oxygen, and that didn't even lock that. Okay, and why is that? Why did it not unlock? Oh, I made it. Okay, I made the requirement itself. Okay, that should switch and fix the requirements. I'm gonna just make the image size 1, 1 for now. And position it 0.5, 0.5 probably. Size 1, 1. And then position 0.5, 0.5. So, I need to get seagrass as always. Just a little bit of seagrass. So, Now I get this, yeah, okay. So now the bubble is a bit more in the middle. Yeah, these bubbles are... Yeah, I mean, okay, this bubble definitely needs to be a bit more fixed size. The second one's fine, first one's fine, second one's fine, even though I might want these to be a bit bigger. Maybe. The first one probably bigger, second one doesn't need to be bigger. Am I seeing like some kind of black line here or something? No, I think it's fine. So we have oxygen 1, oxygen 2, oxygen 3. Right, honestly. And let me go ahead and I guess change the size of the first one. Is 0.5 gonna be enough? Then let me change oxygen 3 position. I don't know how to change it actually. If I make it like 4.4 and then 0.6, does that like help? And I have to keep getting the oxygen. Okay, I'm just gonna make the requirements to nothing, so then it unlocks itself, so I can look at it. All right, so I mean that did move it a little bit. I don't really like that though. Too much probably. Should change it lower by 0.5 and then 5.5. All right, yeah, now they're a bit more in the middle. So let me go ahead and lock this. So that's the visual side done, actually. We're gonna need to do the functional side, so it actually does increase your oxygen. Now that's gonna be a bit more tricky. Yeah, I like this. Oxygen 1, oxygen 2. Maybe a bit too big here. I might actually decrease it to like 0.4 or something, but that's the visual basically done. Yeah, 0.4 works, should work. So now let me re-add this to 5. So now, for the oxygen, so in here I want to add the amount of oxygen it's gonna add. So oxygen amount, so how much it's gonna add, it's gonna be 30. I'll make it 30 for each for now, since yeah, I don't think we need much more. I don't know how much it's gonna add in real game, but I'll need to do balancing and everything to make sure it's fine. It's to make sure it's okay, to make sure it's all right. But yeah. All right. So I think I'm gonna need to do some kind of updating for server, for client. Let me open up all the oxygen scripts actually first. So oxygen here. So this where it sets to 60. We need to change this to set it to the max oxygen amount, which will be okay. We're gonna need to get, first of all, the upgrade tree module is what we were gonna need first of all. So Now we're essentially gonna do probably more of a similar thing here, where we can nest. Nest here. Yeah, where we get the nest here. So if we go to oxygen, here we're gonna want the same thing. So nest, so oxygen in default is 60, right? And then for I upgrade, I mean, I might as well just do a thing where you get the player oxygen. So probably like another module script somewhere. Do I have any already that are like get player stat? No, not really. Alright, I'll go ahead and make a new module script. Alright. Get player stats. So what? I'm just gonna do player stats. Alright, let me actually do player stats. And then I can do player stats dot get player oxygen, and then alright, how do you do it? Like function? Yeah. So I want to essentially do this. And then we want to get and we need upgrade tree module right here. So upgrade tree stats, we're gonna get like this, upgrade tree stats, and then nest here, so change us to oxygen. If this equals oxygen, then we oxygen plus equal oxygen, plus equal oxygen. I want to do upgrade stats and then oxygen amount. Not oxygen amount. So, and then we're gonna want to return the oxygen, and then in here we can just require player stats. Get player stats. The module scripts, the player stats. So I'll do this. Player stats dot get player oxygen, is it? No, if I just do player stats, it's gonna look like player stats. So get player stats. Get player stats. Get player stats. And then player stat. And then get oxygen. Let me go to talking connection model, see how I did it. Oh, like this. Okay, I need to do function, then the name, and then the things. Yeah, okay, great, like this. So local replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage. We got replicated storage for all of this. And what else is erroring here? Oh, extra thing we didn't need. Right, now it should be able to get player oxygen, get player stat, name, player stat, and then that get oxygen. And now we want to give over upgrade tree stats. So we're gonna need some way to get upgrade tree stats. Right now in here, I got upgrade tree stats by accessing like this. So I'll just copy this line, paste it here, upgrade tree stats, and that should work for that. So now basically we just want to go to the client now. And we can close off this. Claim nest. Now main oxygen. And then in here change UI wherever we do the oxygen. Oh. Yeah, but yeah, this is max. So I think here we should get max oxygen, because this is max oxygen. Then I need to change it in here again. Okay. Oxygen, pretty easy. And then I somehow need to call this on get player max oxygen. So are we saving everything in here? Get current player tools. I'm gonna need function get player stat anyway. In here. In here. Get player stat. So now we can call get player stat dot get max oxygen. Get player stat dot get max oxygen. We still need to give over the, how is it called, upgrade tree stats. So this is the hard thing that we need to somehow get. So up here we have current player tools, right? And this like updates whenever we get the current player tools updated. So I think I'm gonna need to do the same thing for the skill tree. Local how is this called again? Upgrade tree stats. So upgrade tree stats equals this, the upgrade tree stats. So we get upgrade tree stats like that, and then we're gonna have to update them. Upgrade tree stats. And the way I want to upgrade them is, right now we have a client script, right? Yeah, upgrade tree. So we have current upgrade tree stats. Now if I move everything related to auction to here, it should be kind of simple, I think. Since we instantly have this right here, yeah, this is all the upgrade tree stuff. So is there a way I can move this? Over to here. But there's no way I'm gonna move everything to here though. So I still like kind of want to keep it here, you're right. Let me change this to current. So I think I'm gonna need to do an event, which is like just a bindable event. Barge, are you in the stream? Do you know if bindable events are like harmful for performance? Since like that's like the only way I can communicate through scripts. If you're still in the stream, of course. He might not be. I'm gonna look it up. Pro Studio. Can sending a lot of bindable events be bad? Spam bindable will result in lag for the server. Yeah, but what about the client? Yeah, I mean there has to be a better way, but I need to move everything to one script then, which I wouldn't really like that. Like I could move this whole thing over to there, which probably a good idea. Then at this point, like I like to have stuff organized. I don't want to go through like one script, which is like a couple thousand lines. But that might be the main way, because it's changed UI. Yeah, okay, I honestly might have to do it then. And then I'll do upgrade a tree. So we don't have to use a bindable. Local function open description. Grade tree. Okay. Fixed that issue. So when are you gonna play PSS? Honestly, I don't know. I think I might do I'm probably definitely gonna do a stream whenever next Beastmas is out, or like at least some kind of update. But I was kind of like just bored of the game a little bit myself. I don't know. There's like nothing really new to really come back for, you know. Like Beastmas is fun, right? But Is it really different from last Beastmas or the Beastmas before it? No, it's still this. It's still quests that you have to really grind for. And I mean, if I grind a little bit, I don't want to grind too much, since it gets boring. So this is the upgrade tree stuff. I guess, I mean, we don't need to have, I mean, let's put current upgrade tree stats. Okay, we have those. So we can just remove that without worrying. Can we remove this without worrying? Yes. What about upgrade tree module? No, we don't have upgrade tree module up here. Can we remove this? Yes. Tween service? Yes. User input service? Yes. Players should be yes. Do we have a local player? Do we have mouse? How do we have everything? No, we really have everything. Player GUI we should have. Main GUI we should have. Upgrade GUI we should have. No, we shouldn't. Wow. Okay. So next Beastmas, I'll be back in a year. Okay, DRZ. Thanks for joining in. Alright, the code is now 600 lines. Wow, amazing. Okay, I guess I can remove that one script then. We have one less script to worry about. Upgrade tree. Alright, and now it should honestly just work. Right, we have 60 oxygen, right? Let me get some seagrass then. Is that music a bit low? No, for this part. Right, just a bit more so we have enough. So if we get our seagrass, go in here. Okay, alright, no. I need to do this for the recap. So if we claim a nest now, nothing appears, but if I upgrade it here once, yeah, and then upgrade it again, it upgrades. And then even if I upgrade my oxygen storage, if I go above surface, I have 90 seconds of oxygen, and I can get even more, let's say 150 oxygen. And why as well not get tier 3 at this point? Right, everything works. I have way more oxygen now. Amazing. Yay, we have more oxygen. Okay, I guess. Oh. Well, it only took like an hour and 20 minutes? How was that only an hour and 20 minutes? We got a lot done. That's like all I had planned pretty much. To get these upgrades working and then auction 1, 2, 3 working. Man, I didn't have too much planned. We can also just have these. Are we gonna have it always be in like seconds? Or should I rather like change it a bit to minutes? I mean, it's probably gonna be a bit easier if you have like minutes and seconds. And then if you're like below 60 seconds, then it can show like this decimal. But if you're not, then it doesn't show the decimal. Right? If that makes any sense. All right. Okay. Here's the oxygen. So. Yeah, this is the tweening, and then new size. Right. This already sends in as decimals, I think. So if I like do yeah, so if oxygen, okay, if oxygen is above 66, if it's above 60, right, then we do that, and then else, if it's not above 60, we just set it normally. So if it is above 60, so then we oxygen text, then we set the text to, we need to somehow like set it to minutes and seconds. Okay, 1 second. How could I do this? Try looking it up. Okay. How could I do this? So if I do this dot m small or m big? M big. Let's try m big. Then dot. We do this for seconds. And then, okay, maybe actually m small. And then space here, dot s. And let me do this. Okay, let's actually see if this works. So if I once again get some more seagrass. Should maybe work. I have hope. So if I get this one, yeah, it says 1 minute 30 seconds. Oh, okay. Now I need to math that round it. Then I need to map that around it. Okay. Map that round. Okay. Let me also make it say seconds in here. Let me get this though. So then it decreases by like this, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, then it decreases like this. And if I go back here, and then if I add more oxygen, right? 230. And then when it gets above below 60, it's gonna start doing decimals. So let me also add this right here. All right, that's pretty great for the oxygen. Honestly, happy about today's work. We actually got everything done very quickly. Did not plan to finish this fast. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Thank you everyone that came to the stream, watched a little bit or a lot even. And yeah. I don't know when I'll be streaming next time, but probably maybe this Saturday. I honestly don't even know. Maybe this Saturday, maybe not this Saturday, maybe Sunday. Might be streaming something else than working on Fish Game. We'll see, honestly. Don't really know, but yeah, thank you guys that everyone watched. And we're probably gonna be working on more fish abilities next up, or yeah, because I don't have any more plans for the skill tree, honestly. Yeah, thank you everyone that watched, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.